Unveiling the art world. The meaning of prime the canvas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's quite common in the art world but also has broader implications in everyday language. Prime the canvas. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just keen on enriching your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers behind this intriguing phrase and discover its significance together. When we say, prime the canvas, we are referring to a preparatory step in the painting process. Priming a canvas involves applying a layer of material, usually gesso, to the canvas before painting. This layer serves multiple purposes. It prevents the paint from seeping through the fabric, provides a smooth surface for painting, and can even affect the brightness of the colors applied on top. In essence, to prime a canvas is to prepare it for the masterpiece that is to come. Interestingly, the phrase, prime the canvas, transcends its literal application in the art studio. Metaphorically, it can be used to describe preparation for any upcoming task or project. Imagine you're about to start a new venture, tackle a challenging assignment, or embark on a journey of self-improvement. By priming your canvas, you're essentially laying down the groundwork, ensuring you're ready to face what's ahead with the best possible foundation. It's about creating the right conditions for success. Incorporating prime the canvas into your vocabulary can add a creative flair to your conversations. You might use it when giving advice. Before you start writing your book, make sure to prime the canvas with thorough research. Or perhaps in a motivational context, they primed their canvas with years of hard work before achieving such remarkable success. This phrase beautifully encapsulates the idea of preparation, making it a versatile addition to your English language toolkit. And there you have it, a deeper look into the meaning and application of prime the canvas. Whether in the literal sense for artists or as a metaphorical expression in daily life, this phrase beautifully emphasizes the importance of preparation. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to prime your own canvas, whatever that may be. Thank you for watching, and remember, every masterpiece begins with a single, well-prepared stroke. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.